What's up, guys? We're back on another one. I took down a tree out here in my pasture about a year ago, and well, it's been dead for a few years. It's pretty seasoned, so I'm just kind of right now taking it back to the shop, and we're gonna cut it up. So using firewood. So I'll bring you along. Let's go. Some of this tree, I threw it over the fence, and well, now I want to use it, so we were kind of just getting it thrown over the fence, but I'm just gonna cut it up, throw it in my skid steer bucket, and just bring it back to the house and split it. So it's way out here. I'll catch up with you guys when I get out there. Here. Most of this wood is rotten, but it'll burn real easy. This is definitely way past season, but it'll burn. There it goes. That's rotten, but all right, guys. Well, it's currently the next day. We got all that wood split, got it all stacked, everything. So that's all good to go. As you see, I'm actually right now sitting in the new to me truck. It's 2019 Ford F350. I really like it a lot. I'll do a video on it. I got some business plans and stuff I got coming up, so I'll do some videos on that. But anyways, definitely appreciate for watching. I got a lot more videos coming, so stay tuned. Catch you later.